Hey bro, I'm just gonna give you a quick rundown of my shop. Starting at, this is my front door here, double doors. Over to my right side here, this wire has been coiled around. That's the end of the wire right there. But it goes behind the 2x4 studs right in here, down in this little valley I was telling you about. Now it's got a loop out here for a box connection, or where you plug in at. And it comes on around, as you can see it right here. It's up there, but anyway, it's up there. Comes on down, and there's another loop out for a box here. And it comes on around behind the cabinets here, and there's another loop out for an outlet box here. Right here. Then it goes into this corner at the back, and it's not in the wall here. It's just dead off right here. It's got a big coil. It's got a big coil back here where it's not run through the wall here. But it's got enough, it'll come all the way over. And that's where my box is right now. I don't want it there. I'd rather have it down close to where my power comes in at, except not where I can't get to it. Oh, if I could get around this bench. That's my, what we call a junction, what we made up for a junction box. That's all the wires it's got in it. Oh, let me see if I can peel them out. Oh, it's hard to reach. Man, a fat guy can't get into these positions too good. But as you can see, he's only got that house wire put in there, going from there up to the box. I'm not for sure how you guys think about all that, but I just don't think that's gonna be sufficient to run 60 amps out here. But that's all the wires. Like I say, he's got that house wire wired into it. I don't think that's good. But you see how close that is to the floor. I know we can get another foot or two out of that and bring it up some. And anyway, I've got, you see right there, that's the terminal end of that wiring here, and it comes over here and just makes a loop, and it goes all the way down this side of the wall. I've got an outlet loop here, and there's an outlet loop here, and it goes on in behind these lockers, and there's a stub out. As you can see right behind that, there's a stub out going up top with a length of wire on that, and all that's down behind that locker. But yeah, I've got all of the boxes up here. I've got all kind of outlet boxes, outlets, face plates, breakers, junction box. I've got about everything I need to get it going. And one thing I got to make sure I got is the door to that circuit breaker box. I had it at one time, but last I know of having it was like 3 years ago. So I'm not real sure of it. Oh, look at there. Did you miss me yet? Let's see. Well, but anyway, look what I just found. Found the door to the circuit breaker. And there's one of the bolts are in it to put the door back on. I don't see the rest. I guess I can find me some of them. Anyway, I want to take that breaker box off. I want to put it down here in an open spot, or maybe even back over. Well, I don't think I have enough water to do all that. But somewhere about, see the height of my bench right here. Somewhere about that level on the wall is where I'd like to have the junction box up in here. Somewhere I can get to it. This cabinet right here is going to be gone soon. But this will be open, and this cabinet will be gone. And I'd like to have the breaker box somewhere right in there. That's what I'd like. What I like and what I get might be two different things. But anyhow, I hope you was able to see the color of that wire real good. And found my breaker box lid over in that corner there. I know it had been about 3 years since I'd seen it. And we found it. That's a good deal. Today has been a success. Found my box lid. But let me see if I can find that end of the wire. I know there was the end right here. This wire here, that's an old good thick stuff. I don't know if you can see that. Ground type. I can get it twisted. Man, that stuff is stiff. I don't know if you can tell anything about that or not. But anyway, that's the type of wire that I've got running all through the house. Or through the shed. Hey, bro. You're talking about... This is the type of wire that I've got running through the walls. That's the type of wire I've got running through the walls for the outlets. It's good, thick, stiff wire. I can't find a number on it that means anything to me. But anyway, this is running through the wall. Like I said, down this wall, I want, just a few electrical outlets. I want one upstairs because I want to put my air compressor up there. I want to pipe out air from my air compressor from that point right there. I'd like to have a light in the main top up here, right in the center. And then of course, I got my lights down here. Don't know exactly how I'm going to run everything. Right now, they just plug into an outlet going back over here to extension cord heaven. But anyway, I'd like to have them on a circuit of their own. Maybe them plus my air compressor. I don't know exactly what all will carry what. But anyway, air compressor up there, one light in the top up here to illuminate the loft area. Of course, these lights down here. I'd like to have a switch somewhere at the door to run all of this. Maybe mount. There's a camera you was on. Yeah. But you called in here to the Guthrie's barn, right? Yeah, the Guthrie's barn. See, I'm in here in my shop doing all my woodwork, trying to get things cut out, and we're on film right now. He goes, oh, okay.
I didn't really hear it all, but I know you said you was in the barn and you're doing work and what else?
And being filmed at the same time.
Being drilled.
Being filmed.
Oh, you and being filmed, and I'm in the Guthrie barn with you.
Yeah, you in the Guthrie barn here, bro.
Oh no.
Now, so you stepped up into high class, and you don't come up into the Guthrie barn.
Oh no. Yeah, you been filmed.
Yeah, we're gonna have to edit some of that. Yeah. Yeah, but I'm gonna have to insert this little part right here and tell everybody, hey, look, I'm talking to brother Joey Heflin from down in Mobile, Alabama.
Yeah.
Man, we getting signal all the way up here in Cedar Grove, Tennessee.
Yeah.
Wall to wall, treetop tall.
And the old Guthrie barn. The Guthrie barn was famous now.
But have a switch somewhere, like right in here, just as you come in the door right here. There's my door. But let me turn around and maybe get you a better view of what's going on. As you're coming into the door, right here, come into the door, maybe have a light switch right in here somehow or another to turn the shed lights on. That way you ain't walking in the dark. And you come in and, like I say, there's the wire going down that side. The breaker box is up there, which I want it down under this cabinet right here. Which that cabinet's not going to be there. I'm going to take that down. That way that breaker box will be exposed where I can get to it real good. But yeah, that's the gist of what I got going on. Oh, let me go around here. You just won't know how far it was from the pole. As you can see from the wires on the inside, man, look at that. That daggum armadillos around here. Ain't no joke. Ain't no joke. Alright. The wire from the shed, you can see it coming right there. And that's right about the corner of my shed. Alright, you see the wire right there? It goes underground right there. And goes, turn the camera around here, put my back against the corner of the shed. Alright, now, there's the old mobile home we stayed in. Alright, I'm going to count it out. 3-foot steps. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's the conduit that the wire is in. The wire comes up to somewhere right in here. Just above head high, I believe. But the conduit's right there. There's my outside box, power box. Like I said, I can't remember how many I counted. 9, I think. 1, 2, 3, 5, 9 steps. So 9 times 3, 9, 18, 20. What, 27 foot? 30 foot? 20, 30, 40 foot. Give or take the slack that's in the pipe and what's coming up through the floor. But anyway, bro, that's what I got.